Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to edit images in Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So right now I'm going to edit this image, so I'm clicking on edit and I'm selecting this image and I'm clicking on this image icon, selecting this image, edit image. So the image editor has been opened. Now we can adjust the brightness, also we can adjust contrast, saturation, sharpness. Also you can increase the blur, highlights, shadow. And if you want to reset all these editings, click on reset. Also you can crop your image by clicking on this icon. Go to filter and you can add filter to your image from this list. So this was how we can edit images in Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.